A good shaver is a must-have for all the men, and I am no exception. That's why I bought this electric shaver from the brand Braun.
Braun, the brand, is known for its superior German design. It has three flexible shaving elements that adapt to the contours of your face to minimize the pressure on your skin for a close and easy shave. And for the trimming of the mustache and the sideburn, it comes with a separate precision trimmer. The attachment heads can be easily changed with a simple click, making it hassle free to use. The shaver features both wet and dry technology, making it 100% waterproof and suitable for dry or wet shaving, even with foam or gel. The shaving head comes with the easy clean system, which allows for quick and easy cleaning of the razor without removing the shaving head, making it totally mess free and convenient. It's cordless and comes with a rechargeable battery that gives a battery life of up to 50 minutes. And even if you sometimes forget to charge, the shaver comes with a 5-minute fast charge that can last for one application. The razor is also absolutely smooth on your skin.
So now you can easily get that perfect clean shaver look every day.